Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoVibesReviews. I've got something special for you today. The brand new 2026 Aston Martin Vantage. This isn't just a carryover model. Aston's pushed hard with fresh innovations, increased power, more aggression, and even a drop-top version that challenges the norms. Stick with me to the end, because you're going to hear things about performance, handling, and features you won't want to miss. And by the time we're done, you'll know whether this is a dream car or just another pretty face. You come around to the front of the Vantage and right away your jaw drops. That signature Aston Martin grille is more pronounced and aggressive than before, flanked by sharper LED headlights with piercing daytime running strips. The hood is no longer content just being pretty. Those new vents and sculpted lines hint at the ferocity underneath. The front splitter is more purposeful now, almost like it's reaching for grip. One glance and you know this car means business. Moving along the side, the silhouette remains low and taut, but there's more drama this time. The fenders are more muscular, the shoulders more pronounced. You'll spot subtle arrow slats and sculpting around the lower skirts, pushing airflow in smart ways. The wheel arches house massive 21-inch wheels in various designs, and you'll often see bold brake caliper color options peeking through. The flush door handles and mirrored proportions keep the elegance, but the stance feels more planted and aggressive than ever. Now turn around and the rear is equally compelling. A wider tail, sharper edges, and a full-width rear diffuser make it look ready to claw the asphalt. Quad exhaust tips deliver visual drama, and there's a sleek rear spoiler, fixed or active depending on trim, that doesn't feel tacked on, it feels essential. The taillights are slim and modern, wrapping toward the sides for that "This is modern Aston" signature. When the car's in motion, the rear presence commands attention. Step inside, and Aston has doubled down on craftsmanship and sensory experience. The cabin feels bespoke. You're surrounded by premium leathers, Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, and metal trim that feels like instruments in a cockpit. The driver orientation is strong. The center console angles just right toward you, giving a feeling of control and intimacy. The digital cluster is crisp, paired with a 10.3-inch infotainment screen that handles modern connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay and a responsive UI. Aston also offers that upgraded Bowers & Wilkins 15-speaker system if you want concert-level sound inside your supercar. But enough about looks and comfort. What about heart and soul? Under the hood sits a hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, derived from AMG but heavily modified for Aston's character. In the base Vantage, it now delivers about 656 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. That's up dramatically from the previous generation, and Aston claims 0-60 mph times in the neighborhood of 3.7 seconds in real tests. But if you go for the Vantage S, Aston pushes further. Power up to 670 HP while torque remains 590 lb-ft. That S variant is claimed to hit 0-60 in just 3.3 seconds. Handling enhancements come via recalibrated dampers, revised camber toe settings, stiffer mounts, and more aggressive aero tweaks up front, all adding sharper front-end response without completely sacrificing ride quality. The Roadster uses the same platform, engineered from day one to balance rigidity, adding only about 132 pounds over the coupe, and Aston claims that by dynamic difference is minimal. Top speed? Expect around 202 mph in both trims. On the road, the Vantage delivers what you hope for. The throttle is immediate, the launch control is sharp, and the 8-speed automatic does its job cleanly, with lightning responses in sport or track modes. It's not so raw that you vibrate your teeth, but the soundtrack from that V8, growls, pops, and full throttle fury, ensures you never forget you're in a high-performance exotic. In corners, the balance is superb. It leans in like a GT car, but then rewards you with razor-sharp steering and grip when you push harder. Even with the roof down, the Roadster version holds composure brilliantly. And the transition from close to open, 6.8 seconds, durable at up to 31 mph, is impressively seamless. Let's talk money, because yes, this is a serious investment. The base 2026 Vantage Coupe is expected to start around $195,000 in the US. The Roadster will carry a premium. Estimates suggest around $12,000 to $15,000 more. As for the S variant, those extras push it further upward. Some expect the S version to drift into the mid-$200,000 territory depending on options. It's not cheap, but for what you get in design, performance, and exclusivity, many will say it's justified. So, final thoughts. The 2026 Aston Martin Vantage is a bold statement. It blends artistry and aggression, tech and rawness, beauty and beast. Whether you pick the coupe or the Roadster, or you stretch for the S version, this is a car that strikes an emotional chord. Thanks for watching AutoVibes Reviews. If you liked going on this deep dive with me, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and let me know in the comments what you think. Would you choose the coupe, the convertible, or chase down that Vantage S? I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe, drive with passion.